Hello everyone, welcome back to Luxurious Cars, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of luxury vehicles. Today, we're taking a close look at the all-new 2025 Tata Nexon XZ LUX facelift, an SUV that blends style, performance, and cutting-edge features into a stunning package. In this video, we'll be focusing entirely on the exterior design and key features, so let's dive right in. The 2025 Tata Nexon XZ LUX facelift brings a fresh, bold new look that immediately stands out on the road. The front of the vehicle gets a major overhaul, with a redesigned grille that is wider and more prominent, finished in a glossy black that enhances its aggressive stance, flanked by sleek new LED headlights with a split design that gives the Nexon a futuristic, high-tech look. The car now features a larger rear dam and sportier front bumper that adds to its muscular appeal. Moving to the side profile, the Nexon XZ LUX facelift features more sculpted body lines that enhance its overall athletic silhouette. The lines flow smoothly from front to rear, creating a sense of movement even when the car is stationary. The wheel arches are now more pronounced, housing new, larger alloy wheels that add a more premium touch and improve the car's road presence. These wheels are paired with wider tires that provide better grip and handling. The roofline has been slightly reworked to offer a more streamlined, coupe-like design, further emphasizing the car's sporty appeal. The signature floating roof is still there, but it now has a more refined and modern look. The 2025 Nexon XZ LUX also comes with bold new color options, including dual-tone shades that allow owners to add a personalized touch to their vehicle. These color choices enhance the SUV's premium appeal. At the rear, the facelifted Nexon features sharper LED tail lamps that wrap around the rear corners, giving it a more dynamic and aggressive look. The rear bumper is now more sculpted with the larger, sportier diffuser that not only improves the vehicle's aerodynamics but also enhances its overall performance. The integrated spoiler adds a sporty flair while improving high-speed stability. In conclusion, the 2025 Tata Nexon XZ LUX is a perfect blend of bold design, enhanced features, and performance. This facelift takes the Nexon to a new level of sophistication and sportiness. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the world's best luxury cars.